Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from ft.Ashimary. Everything about her will be in my description box below. Obviously, from the color of this unit, I definitely wanted this to be something for October, but baby, we're still in the fall season, so this is the perfect unit for that look. As y'all can see, the inside of this unit, it does come with combs. It comes with that adjustable band, and it also comes with those silicone drawstrings. I really love the security of that. On the ear flaps, it did come with adhesive tape that was already kind of designed on the wig, so that was an extra plus. I honestly didn't even glue this down. Right now, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. Y'all, did y'all know that Kiss has lace tint? Baby, drop in the comments if you already knew that and why y'all ain't tell me. I literally seen my girl on TikTok, Marky. I'm pretty sure y'all know who Marky is at this point on TikTok. Baby be slaying them synthetic wigs. But yes, when I tell you I'm about to see what that's hitting on, oh, I'm excited. And she said the dry down is extremely fast. So let me know in the comment section if you've used it before. Like I said, you can definitely do an updo with her. She is a 360 unit. I really love how this hair looks up. I honestly will only wear this hair up, to be honest. This is what she's look like on the sides. So I'm going to tighten up them drawstrings and tuck it in. I love how the back looks. So you can do a updo bun. You can absolutely do a ponytail. This hair was so soft. There was minimum shedding and tangling. Such a pretty wig. So this is what she is giving down. I just wanted to go in and refresh the curls. I definitely just want to show you guys how she is straight out the pack without a lot of styling. But next time I'm definitely cutting more layers in her. I feel like the hair would have fell differently if I did. But if you want her to hold a curl longer, definitely get some hairpins and some hairspray. So how I'm feeling about Ashimary hair, baby, 10s across the board. I wore this wig out so much in October. She definitely had more pros than she did have cons. Of course, when I finally get to wash her, I can really see how she holds up with maintenance day. But overall, she didn't shed, she didn't tangle. She's a very versatile wig, beginner friendly. And if you want to make a statement, baby, this is the perfect wig to do that. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I would like to thank Ashimary for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.